I am so excited to learn some new words with you. You might see words in this lesson that have letters and sounds that don't do their job. So we have to memorize these words by heart. Or maybe all the sounds do their job, but it is a word that shows up a lot. So we just store those in our brain where they're easy to find so we can read quickly. Last lesson, you learned a few sight words to get you started. Let's review those. I'll give you time to read and then give you the answer to check your brains. Make sure to review the ones you got wrong. It just means you need to strengthen that connection in your brain. Here we go. The. Is. On. Awesome job. Now let's add in new words. Here we have a word that comes up a lot when we are reading, and it only has one letter. A. Like in, I have a cat. How do you spell A? Awesome job. Just a single A. Very good. Next we have the sight word to. T-oo. The first sound does its job, but the second sound is kind of weird. I'm going to tell my brain the oo is the vowel O. T-O. To. I am walking to the store. Today we are going to be working with the vowel O a lot. Just remember that. Now we have the sight word or. Or kind of sounds like a strange sound. I got the R sound, but there needs to be a vowel, so what is before it? Letter O. O-R. Or. Would you like to travel by plane or train? Now let's take that same word and add an F to the beginning. What new word did I make? Or. Very good. For. F-O-R. I have a gift for you. Now we have our most favorite sight word of all. Of. None of its letters do its job, so we really have to just memorize this one by heart. O-F. Of. I have a lot of homework. Nice job. Now, see if you can decode these sight words on your own. Good luck.